one of the most difficult parts of being an entrepreneur, and especially of being a real estate entrepreneur, which is keeping a defined, specific, disciplined schedule. All right? But before we get into that, I want to hit you with this question, right? Because I think that this is really interesting, and this is something that I've been playing around a lot with in my head this week was, how would, and I wrote it down here, how would you work differently today? How would you work differently today if you knew that you could not fail? All right. And I think that this is very, very, very interesting because I'm looking at the Olympics coming up and I'm thinking to myself, could I do any one of those events? And the answer is no, like truly not. I'm not going to go. I'm not like my physical stature, the person that I am, my age. I am not going to be the United States representative for the high jump in the Olympics, right? There are physical limitations that I have. All right. I am not going to be a rocket scientist, right? There are some mental limitations that I have. But the beautiful thing about the real estate business is there are literally, you cannot fail. You cannot fail if you decide that you're going to go with a servant's heart out into your marketplace and you're going to have enough quality conversations with people that have distressed situations or distressed properties. You literally cannot fail. You will win. It might take some time. It might take some endurance. It might take everything that it is inside you to be able to work out of your comfort zones or the grooves that you've built into your life, into your schedule. But without a doubt, I am telling you this, anybody watching, listening to this, seeing this today or years from now, I am telling you, you are in a position that you can't fail if you decide to do that. If you decide to throw yourself into this and go with that servant's heart and keep a nice, defined, tight schedule and work towards your goal of being a real estate entrepreneur, work towards your goal of financial freedom, work towards your goal of the freedom of schedule, which is really the most important thing. Let's be honest. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you're a billionaire or a millionaire or you have $1 in your account. At the end of the day, it matters what did you do with the time that you had here with the people that you love the most, right? That's what it's about. That's what is so exciting about this business because we can truly, truly, truly do something incredible with the time that we have here and have control over that time and not let somebody else control that time. And that is the true freedom. That is what opens us up to the opportunities. That's what makes us that magnet to everybody that's around us that says, wait a second, what are they doing? Why are they so happy? Why are they so alive? Why do they have so much energizing enthusiasm? Why are they doing amazing things and doing things that I never thought was possible for them to do? And it's just because you took action, because you decided to pick real estate. And that's the beautiful thing about this. I am telling you, the freedom comes from understanding how to run a successful real estate business. It starts with finding discounted properties, and then we replace our schedule with doing this as much full-time as possible to paying off our consumer debts so that we're not working for something else. We're not just paying the money. We're not just paying interest out of the money that we have coming in, and then we start buying assets, and then those assets start paying for our expenses, and then we are off and running. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. I am telling you, you cannot fail if you talk to enough people. You cannot fail if you stay dedicated to this business. I don't care what your background is. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what it is. I am telling you, you can do this. So with that in mind, you need to start thinking perspective. I can't fail at this. Let's go. Because that's the problem. What if I don't do this right? What if I don't make money in the next 2 weeks? 30 days, 90 days. What happens then? What happens from all of the judgments that I get from the people in my life that said that I couldn't do this or that I was crazy? Get rid of all that. You can't fail. I'm telling you, endurance.
If you like that video, hit that subscribe button. We come out with new videos every single day. And if you want your questions answered, like you and I, one-on-one, make sure that you join us for the live show every single Wednesday. I will see you there.